Hello everyone, welcome back to Easy Code. It's provide the complete solution in your career. Capgemini announced exciting job opportunities Accelerate 2024 for fresher. All graduates are eligible for this job role. I will break down each and everything in details you need to know. Every second is important for you. Why? Because of you need to update your resume accordingly. Capgemini is hiring COE Accelerate 2024. It's off campus. So one of the best MNC company. Don't forget to apply for this job role. The job location is Mumbai, but they will provide you the flexible workplace. First, let's talk about the key skill and educational details. You should have good communication skill and English speaking and good interpersonal skill. So you should have the intermediate Excel knowledge like VLOOKUP, formatting, data sorting. This is the key skill required for this job role. Kindly update your resume accordingly. You should have ability to play with number. You should have a graduation degree in BCom and BAF. Pass out in 2024. As a part of Capgemini diversity, they are particularly encouraging the female candidate. This is golden chance for female candidate. Don't forget to apply for this job role. You have the 100% chance of selection in this job role. Keep in mind there is a deadline 22nd of November 2024. Don't wait for last minute. Apply as soon as possible. I will provide you the link in the description box. Check out this link and proceed your application. For more details about the hiring process, Capgemini interview results, check out the previous videos. I will provide you the link in the description box. Thank you for watching. If this video is helpful for you, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to this channel. Thank you for your time.